Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is my YouTube channel and here I teach you German language and also I share my experience. So in today's video, as you have seen the title, I don't feel confident when I speak German. Yes, absolutely correct. This is not your problem. This is the problem of so many students. All those who are learning German language, when it comes to speaking, they face difficulty. They face challenges, especially lack of confidence. So let me tell you one thing, that confidence comes from within and from your thought process. What do you think about when you speak? Whenever you speak, never ever think about the other people. What do they think? Or what happened if you speak incorrect sentences? This is a very big mistake that often so many students commit. So never think about other people, never have a preconceived notion. We say preconceived notion means when you have already a notion, a thought process about yourself without knowing. So you think that if I speak like this, if I speak wrong or I don't speak properly, if I use wrong pronunciation, what will happen? People will think about me, I will make a negative impression. So this is one thing that people generally think. If this is not the case with you, then another problem is that lack of vocabulary. Lack of vocabulary, I mean word power, verbs, adjectives. And in German language, basically articles are very important. But don't worry about that. It's not an overnight process. You cannot learn all the vocabulary in a day or two. You cannot memorize all the articles in a day or two. It's a long process. It's a gradual process. So in case if you want to speak and you don't know the article, so skip the article. Or if you say the article wrong, does not matter. The motive of communication is that whatever you speak, another person understand you. If this motive is fulfilled, that's enough. That's perfect. And don't think about the grammar structures. Initially, it will create problem. So you will speak slow. Does not matter. You can speak slow. You can say whatever you want to. You can express yourself. You can express your opinion. That is more important, so that another person can understand what do you want to say. Language is mode of communication, as I already said in my previous video. You should be able to deliver your speech. You should be able to deliver. You should be able to speak, express yourself. That is the most important thing. And it will take time. German is a foreign language. Hindi, English we have been learning since ages, since many years I mean to say. But German, how long you have been learning? Since 1 year, 2 years, max 3 years. It will take time. So if you are a student, if you are a beginner, you have just started learning, so start speaking, does not matter. Confidence comes from within. Never ever have a proud. Don't be fearful. You should not have any kind of apprehensions. Speak whatever you want. Don't think about the consequences. Once you should open your mouth, you should learn something. Whatever you are learning, you must speak. Because speaking is more difficult than writing. When we speak, we are doing actually multitasking. Have you ever thought of that? We have so many ideas. Whenever we speak, we think and then we speak. We think about the next idea, then we'll speak. So it's a multitasking. It's never been easy. It's more difficult than writing, because in writing you are just writing some stuff and then you are thinking simultaneously. But when you speak, you open your mouth and deliver a speech, another person react upon that. So you have this kind of apprehension. It's correct, but it's a multitask. So you cannot be master in a day. It takes time. But you should not lose your confidence. Confidence is very important. From day one, you must be confident. You should know that you are a beginner and you are learning this language. If you commit a mistake, don't worry. At least you speak something. At least you are able to speak German language. That is a big deal. Even people don't know English properly. They don't speak English properly, but you are speaking German. It's a very good task. It's a very big task. So just feel proud that you are speaking, at least you are speaking few lines. And gradually you will see that, you will realize that you are getting confidence. I hope after watching this video you will get some confidence and you will start speaking German. Whatever vocabulary you have, whatever words you have. And one more thing I would like to mention here, that every person has his own vocabulary. If you may have noticed that some people speak very often few words. They like using these words, their favorite words. Even if I speak English or German, I have certain words that I use very often. So these are my favorite words. Every person has some favorite words. So after some times you will realize that you will also have some stock in your mind, 100, 150 words that you always use. So it's not a big thing, it's really big thing. You have put in efforts to collect all these words and retain your minds, and now the time to speak. So you have to speak without having any fear and speak very simple, no issue. So this confidence will come from yourself. If you are lacking the confidence, again it's your mistake, your thought process. So never ever think about other people. Don't bother. As I always say, just look at yourself. You have to grow and you have to put in efforts. You have vocabulary, you know the words, 10, 20, 30 words. Just use them. Make a sentence. And gradually you will realize that now you need some more words. In the result, you will learn more words. And then next time you will speak more fluently, with more pace, with more confidence and energy. So this is the message, this is the thing I would like to convey through this video. I hope you find it informative and knowledgeable. I will bring some more videos, so keep watching German class and keep supporting me. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.